Good morning mga ka-mindset, and we have here very exciting na vlog guys. Naatadre karon sa Chateau de Bisaya. Of course, we're actually invited sa Presscon sa The Iron Heart ABS-CBN. Of course, by with fellow vlogger na rin si Kapagid Miss Angel.
What's up guys? Mindset na, mindset.
Alright, so guys, I'm pretty sure na excited na mo makibawa ni sa vlog na to guys. So, sa pa inyo giwat? Tara, let's!
Inganani ka werpa ang Chateau de Bisaya mga ka mindset, gi kuadayad migikan sa ayala padang mismo. Sa location. UG mapasalamatan kayo mi sa akong mga sponsor sab. Busog UG werpa kayo a among mga sponsors.
Yeah, karon guys, nato yung pinakagwapa dali guys, no? Naro, front desk clerk. Run miss guys, alright.
Okay, hi, welcome. Dugay lagi mo. Ikaw kayo.
Yeah.
So guys, excited na pa sa atong Presscon with Iron Heart Cast.
Yes.
Yes. So nag-ready na mo?
Ready na kayo? Okay, excited na si So, akong ex, magkita na kami balik.
Ang gano'n naman yung tunay GSM.
So, kumusta ang pagbarog ya, Mitch?
Hindi ka lingkod mong ko. Lingkod mong ko.
Buntagalo!
Jet Gonzalez, guys! May office mate, guwapa. Oh, very talented, guys.
Ay sos!
Oh.
Okay ra unta na makakpagyud sa nanaday siya sala karon. Pagpamakak. Sige,
Oh,
oy,
yeah.
sige, sulod ta.
Sige.
Dagan salamat sa atong Pinalenggang sponsors. Ang Panaka Ma Nindot na t-shirts from Island. Souvenirs, akong paborito na pastries Dunkin' Donuts. Dili nato kalimtan ang naghimo sa lodi na eco bags from Cebu Eco. UG siempre naman ang pinya karan UG Panaka lami na di makalimtan. Also ang lami na makahubog ang GSM Blue.
So, karon guys, actually guys, we're magsugod ta taon-taon, no? Nya, go to mga guys. So, of course, pagkano sa may kuan, kanang lechon ba, no? From Ayers. Snacks na niya, guys, no? Di pa rin mo ang lambing nga bungga nga kauno niya, guys, no?
Ano daw?
Oh, Ayers lechon. So, Ayers lechon, salamat kayo, no? Beke naman. Ano siya kalami? We also have Sir Rob from RMA News. Alright, Mama Nabel. Morning.
Morning ako, gulo-gulo ang buhok ko.
Pero maganda pa rin. No, tisay ba, tisay. Alright.
We also have Mr. Jake Cuenca. We also have with us today Mr. Albert Martinez. The man of the hour, no other than Mr. Richard Gutierrez. Let's give all the cast a big round of applause. Today we are joined by this hard-working cast, and of course, we are also joined by the hard-working Cebu press, so we are very grateful for making time and coming here with us today. Of course, now that all the cast are present and the members of the press, can I invite our cast to, of course, greet our online audience as well as the Cebu press about the new teleserye that the Filipino people should look forward to.
Ayong buntag po sa inyong lahat, Cebu. Good morning. Thank you for joining us today at giving us time to spread the word about Iron Heart. We are very honored and grateful to be here in Cebu. Unang-una gusto kong pasalamatan yung Rama family ko dito. We have a big clan here in Cebu. And Mayor Mike Rama, Congressman Edu Rama for really being supportive of our show and helping us out with all the locations and permits and everything. And of course the Governor Gwen, who's also been very helpful to our project. It's an honor to be here in Cebu. We're so happy and excited na nandito kami, dito namin ginagawa ang Iron Heart. dahil it just gives another flavor for our show, another flavor for our audience, na makita ang ganda ng Cebu.
Yes, that will be on November 14. And of course, we will share to you later on what are the nitty-gritty details about this new teleserye. At this juncture, I would like to open the floor for the questions from our media. So first up, we have from Cebu Daily News, this is Ms. Neza Martinez.
Aniza from Click Cebu, not from Cebu Daily News.
Okay.
Welcome to Cebu, everyone. What's your character here? Can you tell us more about your character?
For orders or inquiries, please contact me at jim.trazo at gmail.com.
Okay, the name of my character is Poseidon, or Don for short. So I'm like the Robin to the Batman of Apollo, his character, Charles' character.
So mga gods,
The reliable ally or partner or sidekick for now. Yeah, yun po yung, that's as you can see in the trailer. Who have seen the trailer po? Yay! Po, but it's diba? Your curiosity will be, oh my God, this is hard, I haven't spoken in straight English in a while. But yes, there's a lot of mystery involved. It's an action mystery, hyper-realist, so many slash kind of show.
Hello, good morning to everyone. My character's name is Priam. I am the nemesis of Richard's character, and it's a very exciting character because it revolves around the greed, revenge, and a lot of mystery involving my character. So, me personally excited about it when I read the script, and I'm more excited because I'm working with the best actors in film and television right now.
So next up, may I ask Ms. Vanessa Balbuena to throw a question.
Hi, my hapon. My name is Vanessa from the Freeman. My first questions are for Richard. Will we hear Bisaya being spoken in the teleserye?
Maybe. But for now, wala pa nagbibisaya sa show namin. But actually, I wanted to add that flavor to kasi si Su fluent. Hindi pala. Si Sofia pala yung fluent.
Ako naman, para lang, this is my second home. So, sobrang excited na naman to work around here. But, kasi nakita ba naman nandito, I'm super in love with it. So, para lang ako nag-enjoy. And also yung mga cast and team namin, super smooth katrabaho. Way easy.
For me naman, sabi ko, it's so refreshing. Kasi syempre we're very used to shooting a lot of the things in Manila. So even like when you watch other shows, everything looks familiar. So when you watch the trailer, it's really different. Like I was telling a child last night, sabi ko, a major character of the show is also Cebu. Sabi ko, parang it really changes the feel and the mood of the show. So for me, like what she said, I've fallen in love with Cebu. So I'm so excited. We had a few days break, so I got reminded, so let's stay here na lang, let's extend. So, yeah, Cebu's been very good to us, and we look forward to every lock-ins.
Now, Fritz of Lagan Cebu, you'd like to share or ask something?
Yes, hi. I'm Fritz from Lagan sa Cebu. Maayong buntag. And daghang salamat for choosing Cebu. Now, my first question is for Sue. After the success of the Broken Marriage Vow, anong makikita namin o anong naiiba ni Sue Ramirez dito sa...
Ay, naku, talagang sobrang ibang-iba. Number 1, hindi po ako kabit-bit. Salamat naman po sa Diyos. Oo, yun. Number 1 yun. Number 2, also the upbringing. Kitang-iba talaga kasi si Lexi, di ba? Anak mayaman siya. This time naman, anak ako ng isang simpleng tao lang. Masaya lang sila sa buhay. Ang tatay ko ang nagpalaki sa akin dito. So, more on the core values of the characters, magkaibang tao talaga sila. That's why I'm very excited to play this role. It's because I will not be only playing Venus. I will be playing different types of characters talaga. You'll be seeing me in prosthetics, you'll be seeing me in wigs most of the time. Because I'm a con artist here. So, ayun, yun yung malaking budolera po ako dito. Hindi po ako kabit.
Okay, kasi sayang wala dito si Maha, no? Pero baka siguro makasagot po kayo. Kasi sabi, it was shown that special appearance, bakit special appearance si Maha Salvador o Sir Richard?
Special ba?
Special ba? Sige po.
No, to be honest, si Maha was kind of, she was one of the last artists on board of the project. You know, the script went through a few revisions and all that, and they wanted to add another element, another character, another strong character to the script. And that was Maha. Maha was able to join us last minute, and we're very thankful actually to Maha. You know, aside from her very busy schedule and all her commitments, she was able to dedicate some time for us. But for now, she's a special appearance. But let's see, you know, how everything goes. Abangan natin. But yeah, ano to? Pero.
Okay.
Anyway, so much about that. Of course, we'd like to acknowledge the people and the companies who are behind this endeavor that we are having for today.
Yeah, first of all, we would like to thank, of course, all the media, all the press here today for joining us. We really enjoyed the company. We wish we could stay longer, but unfortunately, may taping pa po kami today.
Let's give the cast our resounding applause.
It's time to pickles. Sanchez Yarn.
Onya, kumusta alamian ang pagkaon niya?
Doy,
Puso kayo?
akong Jake.
Ayan, baka naman.
Guys, yung pinaka-pogi guys, isa sa ukol sa cast na The Iron Heart. Nasa Cebu po sila, of course, we have Pepe Herrera, pogi. Ano pangalan mga JmT Mindset.
JmT.
Yung YouTube channel ko.
Ay, okay. Hello mga tol, sa mga subscriber ni JmT. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan. The Iron Heart this Monday na po, 8:45 PM on all Kapamilya channels, tsaka sa TV5 and A to Z. Salamat po.